Okay, everybody, today we're going to be working on my 2017 Gsxr 1000R, people. So what I got going on is I went ahead and took the gas tank off, and I want to inspect all my gaskets. I want to go ahead and empty that fuel out. So the reason why I have this gas tank sitting right here like that is for the simple fact I don't want to obstruct this plastic piece. So just put a little bag on it to catch the excess fuel, and then you go from there. But I want to get this gas out of here and probably refill it up with 110, and it's a full tank. And I don't ride it that often, and I usually put some gas treatment in it, and I probably haven't ridden it in probably about 6 months, besides just going around the block and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and change the oil. I'm gonna get all that done. I'm gonna inspect my filter, make sure this Sprint air filter is not kinked up or anything like that. And let's break it down. Okay, so I had to go in there and flush my eye out, because undoing this gas line right here that goes to your top injectors, gas did come out of here and it splashed in my eye. So I just recommend you wear eye protections, some goggles or something, because that was unexpected. I've done this 1,000 times and that never happened, but man, that 110 octane stings. So put some safety glasses on and we'll go from there. Let me take these bolts loose, which I already did. We're gonna put them up here in our little drawer, and let's finish it up. Okay, I got it all back together except for the seat. I just put the battery back in, and I had to actually take out all the power out of this AGM battery and recycle it and put all the power back in it. So it should work properly now. If not, I'm gonna buy another one. I just bought this one about 3 months ago and I've already had to charge it. So it is what it is. You get what you pay for, and I had to charge it. So let's see what it'll start up real quick. Running pretty good. Let me put it back together. We'll take it for a spin.